Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix in a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer driver is not accessible for you. So you just need to follow me. At first, you need to go to your start menu or click on this search button and type cmd. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now click on yes. Once you have opened command prompt window, you need to put some command over there, which I will give you on my video description. The command is chkdsk, where chk is for check and dsk is for desk. And then press space button from your keyboard. And after that, you have to put your volume letter. As you can see here, my volume letter is E. So I will put over here E, then space. Then you have to put there /F. Now press enter from your keyboard. Once it is done, you can see that I am able to access my drive. If it is still saying that chkdsk is not available for raw data, then please check our new video. And if you found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.